Alright, in this video we're going to show you how to remove the door panel. This is a 23 Model 3. We're going to be doing the front left door panel. Removing a T30 Torx screw. Take it out fully. Okay, it's a long one. Okay, so second T30 Torx. Okay, there's going to be a third T30 Torx. So this just pops out by two clips up. Okay, so our clip is broken in half, but that's what it comes out. You just press in a little tab right there with the sharp little needle or something, and it slides out. So just find a comfortable spot where you could pull in the door on the door panel, and it's basically held by clips at this point. And then you lift it up, and then you have some wires to disconnect. Just feed the wire through. So in a normal car you would disconnect it, but in this car they make you remove the whole harness off the door panel to remove the door panel. So this is it right here. And these are the clips. This white one popped out. This should be is the black one right there. Just like this. So we're gonna have to separate these. Pull them off basically so they're like this.